Customized print large decorations banners are waterproof, moisture-proof, not easy to fade, convenient and practical. The equipment backdrop banners use no plate making, with fast printing speed, and the use of laser cutting process makes the edge off the fabric neat. Not easy to draw and crack. The anti-wrinkle banners are colorful, with no slurry residue and no impregnation. The vinyl PVC fabric banner has the characteristics of low dispersion, wrinkle resistance, elasticity, will not harden, and can be reused.